Hi everybody, welcome back to Handmade. I'm Karen, and today I am bringing back the paper chain. I am sure that every single one of us made a paper chain as a kid to decorate a classroom for a holiday or whatever, but today I am bringing back this super easy project, and we're going to make mini paper chains to make this grown-up aesthetic wall art. It's so cute, and you can literally make it out of paper and tape. You don't need a ton of supplies, so let's get into it. So the first thing you'll need for this project is colored paper, and you can pick any color scheme that you want. And this is optional, but you can also grab some graph paper to plan out your design before you start. You can always adjust this as you go, but I find that it helps to just have a game plan going into it. Next, grab a paper cutter and cut strips of paper that measure 1/4 inch thick. If you don't have a paper cutter, you could also use a craft knife or scissors. So once you have lots of strips of paper, you're going to cut those into pieces that measure 3¼ inches. And once you have one of them cut, instead of measuring every time, you can just use the first one as a pattern. So once all of those are cut, it's time to actually start making our paper chain. We're just going to use plain old tape, and I think we all know how to make paper chains. Just loop each piece into a circle and tape it together, adding a small piece of tape on each side so that the tape wraps all the way around. And then just keep adding more and more circles, following the pattern that you made earlier. So once you have all of your paper chains made, you can put them onto a dowel. And then the nice thing about this project is that you can adjust it as much as you want by cutting off loops or adding new ones. So here is where mine ended up in the end. I added this little asymmetrical bottom, which I think adds a little more visual interest. To finish it off, you're just going to grab a piece of string and use hot glue to wrap it around each side of the dowel so that all of the paper chains are hanging in the center. And that's it. Just hang it up wherever you want. Try to make sure that all of the tape is rotated so that it's on the back side so that you don't see it. And now you have a new piece of wall art that takes something as simple as a paper chain and seriously elevates it. So I would love to know in a comment what color scheme or what design you would make for your paper chain wall art. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe because we are constantly bringing you new DIY ideas. So I'll see you all next time.